Imagine surviving being frozen to minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit. Or living in outer space. Or going a decade without eating. Sound impossible? Not for Earth's most incredible creatures. Today, we're exploring animals that survive fire, extreme cold, radiation, and drought. Let's dive in. Section 1. Tardigrades. The ultimate survivors. Meet the tardigrade, nature's ultimate survivor. These microscopic 8-legged animals, less than half a millimeter long, can survive being completely dried out, frozen to near absolute zero, heated to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, irradiated thousands of times beyond human limits, and even the vacuum of space. In 2007, the European Space Agency sent tardigrades into orbit. They became the first animals to survive solar radiation and space vacuum combined. When facing extreme conditions, tardigrades curl into a ball called ton, drastically slow their metabolism, and nearly completely dehydrate. They produce a sugar called trehalose that protects them during severe dehydration. Tardigrades have survived all 5 mass extinction events over 500 million years. They're truly indestructible. Section 2. Camels. Desert masters. Camels thrive in Earth's harshest deserts through incredible adaptations. They produce thick, dry urine and very dry feces. Even water vapor when breathing is minimized. Mucous membranes in the nose cool exhaled breath so water condenses and is reabsorbed instead of lost. Camels survive weeks without water by storing fat in their humps, not water. When needed, this fat breaks down releasing energy and water. Their body temperature fluctuates by 11 degrees Fahrenheit, reducing sweating needs. Wide, padded feet prevent sinking in sand. Long eyelashes and closable nostrils protect against sandstorms. Every adaptation is perfect for extreme desert survival. Section 3. Echidnas. Surviving wildfires. Fire is deadly, yet echidnas survive even wildfires. After a catastrophic 2013 blaze in Warrumbungle National Park, Australia, the echidna population was unchanged. Researchers discovered these spiky mammals don't run from fire, they burrow. Using powerful claws, they dig into soil where temperatures remain cooler. Their low metabolic rate means they can stay underground for extended periods without food. When fire swept through Perth habitat in 2015, 4 out of 5 tagged echidnas survived by sheltering. Fire chaser beetles use a different strategy. They fly toward wildfires, sensing heat from over 80 miles away. They need burnt wood for their babies. Section 4. Olm. The starvation specialist. The Olm salamander can survive without eating for 10 years. Living in complete darkness in European caves, blind olms consume large quantities of crustaceans and insect larvae in one go. Nutrients store in their livers and release slowly as energy. If food is scarce, olms slow their metabolism and reduce activity. In extreme cases, they reabsorb part of their own body tissue to survive. Living into their 50s, they might only need to eat a dozen times in their entire life. Completely blind, olms have extraordinary smell and hearing, detecting chemical changes and vibrations in water. Section 5. Cockroaches. Radiation resistance. Would cockroaches survive a nuclear war? Science says partly yes. Lab experiments exposed cockroaches to 10,000 rads, 10 times the lethal human dose. Many survived. Why? Cockroaches have simpler cell division that happens less frequently than in mammals. Radiation primarily damages cells during division. Fewer divisions mean fewer opportunities for fatal damage. They're not invulnerable. Direct blast and heat would kill them. But their radiation resistance is real. Combined with eating almost anything and surviving weeks without food, cockroaches are genuine survival specialists. Section 6. Arctic ice fish. Antifreeze. Blood. In Antarctica's southern ocean, water drops to -2 degrees Celsius, below most animals' blood freezing point. Yet ice fish thrive. Ice fish are the only vertebrates without hemoglobin, no red blood. Instead, they have clear or whitish blood with special antifreeze proteins preventing ice crystal formation. These proteins bind to tiny ice crystals that form, stopping them from growing large enough to damage cells. Their hearts are larger and pump more blood to compensate for reduced oxygen carrying capacity. They've perfectly adapted to one of Earth's coldest marine environments. Section 7. Wood frogs. Frozen alive wood frogs survive winter by literally freezing solid. When temperatures drop, wood frogs stop breathing and their hearts stop beating. Up to 70% of the water in their bodies freezes. They appear completely dead. But they're not. The frogs flood their cells with glucose, a natural antifreeze protecting organs and tissues from ice damage. Ice forms outside cells but not inside, preventing cell rupture. When spring arrives and temperatures rise, the frogs thaw from the inside out. Their hearts restart, breathing resumes, and they hop away as if nothing happened. They've been frozen for months. Closing from tardigrades surviving space to camels thriving in deserts. From echidnas burrowing through fire to olms starving for a decade. From cockroaches resisting radiation to icefish with antifreeze blood. From wood frogs freezing solid and reviving. These animals prove that life finds a way, even in conditions that seem absolutely impossible. They've evolved extraordinary adaptations that push the boundaries of what we thought biology could achieve. When we talk about extreme survival, we're not just discussing interesting animal facts. We're learning about the incredible resilience of life itself. These creatures show us that with the right adaptations, almost no environment is truly uninhabitable. Which animal surprised you most? Can you think of other extreme survivors? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through nature's toughest creatures, hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing animal content, and share this with anyone who loves the natural world. Thanks for watching.